Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the 200 EMA on Exness chart. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your Exness chart, then go to indicators here at the top left. Click on it. Here at the search bar, type EMA. Make sure you choose this one, moving average exponential. So click on it just one time. And here we have our EMA, as you can see. Now go to these three dots here. Click on it, click on settings, go to input and change length to 200. Click on OK. Now this is our 200 EMA. Now if you want to change the color, go to these three dots, click on it, click on the settings, go to style, color, and you can choose any color from here. So I will choose, for example, yellow. Also, if you want to change the thickness, you can change it from here at the bottom. So I will choose, for example, this one. After that, click on OK. In that set, this is our 200 EMA. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.